All right, you guys. Hit the scat 21, and we can do a little POV. Let me let y'all hear this. Let y'all hear this. Check that out. What a day, what a day. Oh yeah, she nice. Got to let her warm up a little bit. Y'all hear that? So, as you can see, this is 21. Scat Pack. Challenger. No sedan. Hey. See how that is? Yeah, she very nice. And we're gonna do a little video, me picking up some food in there. I guess I got the Demon logo on there. Even though it's a scat, but you know she look pretty right there. She look good right there. Yes, sir. And I ain't got no damn head camera thingamacall or whatever you call it. And none of that. And she running off non-ethanol too, so I got her